Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Her camera, £3.99, Hitachi, (1.5" LCD display, 4 megapixel, 3 times optical zoom, 4 times digital zoom, HDC 430E. Had a reason for buying this. I've been looking for a cheap little digital camera since watching a little video by is it Mr. Chawla? He's been doing a lot of stuff with telescopes, and he made up a very simple little plastic attachment from 2 bottle tops to connect from the lens on the camera to the lens on the telescope. So I've had my eye open, see if I can find a little cheap camera to try it with. No idea if this one works. Okay, we got a lead, got another lead, got an empty memory card. Nope, nothing else in the box. So we need some batteries, looks like 2 AA's, and a memory card. I wonder what size card it can take. Well, we've got the right type of lens, that's what I was looking for. Something that we can stick a plastic bottle top over that. You'll have to have a look at, well, I'll put a link to his video so we can just try it. Basically 2 plastic bottle tops back to back, one that clamps onto there and one that clamps onto your telescope lens. I'll stop filming because we're up to 7.5 minutes already and we've got nowhere. So I'll have a little play with it. I've just put a couple of rechargeable batteries in there. Whoa, we've got a display. Well, that's interesting. We're getting nowhere with those cheap batteries, heavy duty. We seem to be doing all right with the rechargeable at the moment. So what have we got? How do we step through this thing? Yeah, beeper off. Oh well, let's have that on for a minute. Beeper, louder, soft. Okay. Power off 2 minutes. Digital zoom. Let's turn that off because we don't want that. That's off. Okay. Set to default. Reset number. Okay, if it has a reset number. Yes. Okay, done that. Date. Imprint on or off. Turn that off at the moment. Format, we haven't got anything in there at the moment. Quick view on. That looks like we've gone round the loop. So, can we turn it off? Yes, we turned it off. Okay, let's try it with a memory card in there. 16 gig. Okay, on again. Okay, don't like that red light coming up. Looks like that's already flattened the battery. Oh no, back to the right place. So let's just step down format. Doesn't want me to format. That's interesting. Let's see if we can get on that custom. Custom, okay, date and time. Okay. Date, what is the date? 27th of June. 27. Oh, 27. Come on. June. What was that? 2005 that started on. Well, what are we doing? We're going the wrong way. Seem to have. We're on 19. That's pretty close. 1939 according to me. Go back into that again because we've got the year wrong. Right, year. How do we change that year? (2018). Okay. TV PAL, language English, LCD brightness, okay, USB, PC. Okay, that all looks okay. Back to the basic. What we didn't seem to be able to do was format that memory card. Okay. Well, if we can't do that, we're not going to get very far, are we? How do we get out of the menu? Ah, we're in, that's because we're in that bit there. So if we come around here, card error, right, doesn't like that card. Okay, turn it off, take that out, try the other card, and if that doesn't work we're going to have a dig around and see if we've got anything really ancient. On. Yeah, okay, now what? No, doesn't like that card. Come around to tools again. Format. Oh, at least it's the right colour this time. Click OK. Format. Yes. One moment. That's taken forever. That's died, hasn't it? I bet that's the battery's gone. Let's go back to somewhere else. No, doesn't like that card. Back to there. Format. Okay. Yes. might be too big a card for it. Now, if this was 2005, you wouldn't have got a 16 gigabyte card. Yeah, it doesn't like it. I'll have to go and see if I've got a smaller card tucked away anywhere. Well, a bit of a gap there. I've had to do a lot of searching to find an old memory card. This is the only one I could find. I think it's 2 gigabytes. Out of my old Wii. Nintendo Wii, is it? It's been sitting on a shelf for an awfully long time. Right, what happens now? Nothing. I expect those batteries have gone now. Yeah. Okay. Another set of batteries. That's a bit better. Okay. Format. Yes. Yes. Okay, we've successfully formatted an old old card, old memory card. So let's go to auto. Can we take a picture? Why is that flashing? Did that take a picture? Oh, flash was on. Can we turn flash off? Flash off. Okay, let's do that again then. Okay, can we look back at pictures we've already taken? Don't know. Oh, silly me. I expect it's that one. Yeah, there we are. Well, we've got some pictures. This is a very long video. Gonna have to edit most of it out, I think. How about some video? Can we take video? Video there. Are we recording? Are we recording? No idea. Go to there. Press OK. Oh yeah, I did record something. But it looks like it eats batteries, doesn't it? Gosh. Okay, turn it off again. I'll go and plug that card into my PC and see if we got anything on it. Well, just a quick view of attempting the modification from Mr. Chawla. I've got myself a couple of bottle caps here. The black one would fit on there if the battery wasn't flat. Oh dear, this is really eating the batteries ever so quickly. Well, let's just say that one does fit over the lens there. What we're trying to do is just align the camera to the lens, so you get a little bit less movement as you're trying to put things together. This one is just the right size to fit over there, and at the moment, let's just have a little look. Am I still lined up? Yeah, I am still lined up. I don't know if this camera will see anything in there. There we are. We're lined up on my little gnome who's over there. Come on, focus. There we are. Which I can do perfectly alright with this camera without any of those extra bits and pieces. But I just thought it'd be interesting to give it a go. And at the moment, I'm struggling. I have taken a few pictures with it, so I will show you those. But yeah, it's not working that well for me. I haven't tried gluing these together yet, because I was going to try and align them first by taking pictures and then taping or gluing them together then. So it's just to hold the camera in place so you're not sliding around when you're trying to line it up.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.